Navigating the challenges of managing a small or medium-sized business can feel like steering a ship through a storm. How does one keep a steady hand on the wheel while juggling financial accounting, inventory management, customer relations, and more? Enter Brisk System, your beacon in the tempest, the compass guiding your business to calmer seas. Brisk System is a leading provider of innovative SaaS ERP software, specializing in tailor-made solutions for businesses like yours. Imagine having a comprehensive software suite that encompasses modules such as financial accounting, payable, receivable, production, inventory, CRM, manufacturing, ledgers, income statement, and balance sheet. Now, imagine that this system is not a rigid one-size-fits-all solution, but a flexible, customizable service meeting the diverse needs of your unique business. This is no dream, this is Brisk System. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Brisk System is a cloud-based platform, ensuring you can access the system online anytime, anywhere. Forget being tethered to a desk. Now, your business moves with you, providing a competitive edge in today's dynamic market landscape. Brisk System isn't just about providing a service, it's about supercharging businesses. It's about delivering efficient, user-friendly management and accounting solutions that simplify your operations and enhance your productivity. In summary, the challenges of managing a small or medium-sized business are many, but they are not insurmountable. With Brisk System, you have a partner that understands your challenges, meets them head-on, and transforms them into opportunities. From comprehensive, customizable modules to cloud-based accessibility, Brisk System is the tool that can make your business more efficient, more adaptable, and more successful. So, why navigate the storm alone when you can have Brisk System at your helm? This is your opportunity to take control, to steer your business to new horizons. With Brisk System, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. And with Brisk System, you're always ready to seize those opportunities. So, the question isn't if you can manage the challenges of your business, it's how much more you can achieve with Brisk System by your side. Now set your sails, your journey to success begins with Brisk System.